All right, everybody. So today is the big day. That's right, the unveiling. Today is the big day. Coming here at the house, I have a new addition to the channel. And you guys know, got the boat right here. Yeah, got the Lexus back there. Mercedes isn't here this morning, but the wife's got the Mercedes and the Lexus. Got the Ford Ranger right there. Y'all see that? Well, got us a new addition. You already saw by the thumbnail. So it's time to unveil, see what we got here, guys. What do you think it is? Tell me real quick in the comments. What did you think it was? I know you watched the video, you'll know here in just a second. But at first, just by that, I can sort of see it. I'm like, yeah, I know what that is. All right, guys, you ready? Ready for this? To a lot of you guys, it might not be that special. It's not a big thing. But to me, it's kind of my last hurrah at the sports car thing. Yeah. We'll go back to front with it. Oh yeah. Yeah, so I'll tell you a little bit about it. It's a 2015 Mustang GT. That's right. Oxford white, same as Zeus, the Raptor. Yep. The thing is, a 2015 Mustang GT. It's got the performance package, the 373 gear. It's only got 5,000 miles on the odometer. That's right. Never driven at all. So let's take a closer look at it. So the previous owner really hooked us up with two tasteful mods. One being the MagnaFlow exhaust you hear here. It's cat back. So you guys know in 2015, the Mustang had not received the Sync 3 stereo system yet. So we're stuck with Sync 2 for now. That is at least until upgrade. Now take a look at this. So I definitely have a lot of mods that are coming for this car. Still a lot more for Zeus the Raptor. First off, got to think of a name for this one. So I'm thinking I've already got one that I'm pretty set on. But anyhow, we'll come to that later. But yeah, definitely got some mods planned for the Mustang, and you guys, this is gonna be an adventure for sure. So now we got the twin turbo Indo Raptor, and now we've got the Mustang GT. And like I said, it's nothing special. It's not supercharged, not a GT 500. You know, wished I could afford something like that, but I can't. But I did come upon this, and for me, it was a rare find to be an 11-year-old car. It's 2026 now, with just a little over 5,600 miles, I think you just saw on the odometer. So, smells new, seats have no wear at all in them. I mean, it's like a brand new car. As always with living with 3M, it's an adventure. You guys just buckle up and hang on. So I tell you, one mod that I really want to get done fairly quick is going to be probably a GT 500 wing on the back. Can't really stand the plainness of a deck lid without a wing. I don't want a crazy wing that stands up like Fast and the Furious, nothing like that, but GT 500, GT 350 wing, that would be appropriate. And the second mod that the previous owner had installed right here is the air raid intake. You guys can see it is a nice addition to that engine, helps it breathe, and it looks absolutely awesome. Now, I've got links in the description below. Y'all can pick them up today. Would y'all just look how clean that engine bay is, like it just rolled off the showroom floor. So now you've saw exactly what the addition is to the channel. It's going to be awesome, guys, so y'all need to stick around. Remember, click the links below and you'll pick up your air raid intake and your MagnaFlow exhaust. I got links. Be sure to check them out. I'll catch you on the next one. Let's get these mods rolling. Later now.